came back out before I had to go to work because now the clouds are touching the sun, and I just wanted to see what's happening, if I can tell. Like, are the clouds going into the sun? Or is something else going on? I just can't quite figure it out. Kind of seems like they're just sitting there, not moving. And it's so hot. I really just can't even stand to be in the sun at all anymore. It's just blazing hot. It was 88 yesterday, and it didn't cool off. Even when it got late, it didn't cool off too much at all. I'm afraid to touch it because it might go out of focus. Sometimes it seems like they're refueling at the sun or something. I don't know. There's been a lot of aircraft today. And yesterday I saw a couple of like World War II style bombers, like in formation. And the day before that I saw two of those like wing walker type planes in formation, also two of them right on top of, one on top of the other. It was really neat. Hopefully they're good guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to zoom in. Tap it. Tap the screen. Guess I shouldn't have touched it. Oopsie. Wow. Can't get it to go back. Oh well. It's pretty cool looking, whatever's going on up there. Alright, my arms are getting tired. Looks very orange and yellow and white. Ooh, what's that? Did you see that? Hopefully I got it on film. Wow, that was cool. I don't even know what that was. It was huge. Alright, I guess I gotta go.